Pennsylvania, and they decided they were going to help Braddock, Pennsylvania get back to work as well. And so what they did is they created all these advertisements. They went into the town, and here's what they did. They said, all right, we know that your town wants to get back to work. What we're going to do is we're going to give you $1 million to help you rebuild your downtown. We're going to hire only people from the city, and we're going to hire only people from the city to be in our advertisements. Every one of the people that you see in these advertisements to the right are actual citizens of Braddock, Pennsylvania. Now, here's what they also did. They then put advertisements in other local newspapers outside of Braddock to drive more business into Braddock. This is called action branding. Here's the formula. Shared value. They both value getting back to work. They took shared actions together, and they both shared in the profit. This is the modern branding formula that we need to understand, because we can, via social networks and social media, do these very small actions. And this then gets me into the next big thing for 2016. There is a new model for driving demand, right? And here's why I say we even need one in the first place. It's very simple. Forrester Research estimates that on average, best in class, I want you to take a step back and remember, best in class only convert 1.5 of every 100 leads into revenue. Average companies only create 0.7. That is a 99.3% failure rate for every lead that you generate. If you can't tell me that we don't need a better system for generating demand and revenue, then I don't know what number would ever